Hi, my name is Markus Noge, and I lead machine learning and artificial intelligence at SAP. Helping you quickly solve your users' toughest business problems in the applications they know and care about is what my team and I are most passionate about. And to help you on this mission, we're giving you 3 kinds of bots to experience at SAP TechEd 2019. They are about automation, conversation, and intelligence. For automation, SAP's Intelligent Robotic Process Automation gives you the ability to create rapid automation flows that deliver quick benefits within days, not weeks. For conversation, SAP's Conversational AI and CoPilot help you build the natural language interactions that lift user experiences to a complete new level in a browser-based environment, and you can be running with first bots within days. And for intelligence, SAP's Data Intelligence solution enables you to connect to your on-premise and cloud applications and databases rapidly and build the models that make a difference in predicting, classifying, or projecting your business outcomes. SAP TechEd, the place where tech gets real, is where you can experience these 3 kinds of bots in hands-on and interactive sessions. Registration is open now. I hope to see you there.